They're not letting me know what's happening behind the door. I'm gonna bust in. Secret Agent Duty. Mission start. Mission task 1. Open doorknob slowly. Throw Rudy. Throw Rudy. Throw Rudy. Maybe this is why they didn't want me to. Trying to throw me out. Task number 3. Stop boss from doing this. Just so you know, I'm not hiding behind the sheets in the meeting room. He must be there. Huh? Don't throw me out! No! Oh. We were going to throw you. Come over here. A birthday party! A birthday party? Balloons? Cake? Presents? Guys, you shouldn't have. That's so sweet of you. Happy birthday. You knew it was your birthday, but you pretended to not remember. That's because it was a surprise birthday party. Surprise? I get it. Now it's opening present time. Binoculars. Pink sunglasses.
Pink sunglasses.
M&M's candy fan. That's nothing. A new camera. And a Nintendo DS. With a mom cover. SpongeBob. How did you know this was my favorite show? Oh, yeah. And now it's eating cake time.